Hey guys, welcome to this channel. I'm Juan Camilo and this is Explain My Pocket. Let me drink. For the ones that don't know me, I'm Juan Camilo. I'm the head behind Explain My Pocket. I'm a professional in finance with a master's in management and finance, currently pursuing a CFA career as a CFA level 1 exam candidate on July 2021. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to invest quickly, safely, and for free using eToro. In many occasions, I have told you guys the importance of investing, why investing is important, and the power that compounding interest has. I even share with you guys in my Instagram account the whole portfolio of companies that I currently hold on eToro. However, at the time to execute any investment plan is not that simple or is not that easy. And this is because there is a whole bunch of information on internet, a never-ending list of brokers. You have a lot of advertisement from one broker more than another, and you even have a lot of people talking on YouTube and Instagram about how they were victims of a scam just because they didn't know how to invest with intelligence, taking leveraged positions, risky positions in assets that were not designed for them, like cryptocurrencies or like volatile stocks. However, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the way I do handle my portfolio, the way I invest in stocks, and the broker that I use and why I choose eToro as my main broker. So if you want to know more about how to invest in stocks, if you want to know some tips and some information that I would have liked to know when I was a really amateur in all this stuff, please stick around and check this video. Welcome. Okay, so first of all, to invest in stocks, you always need a broker. A broker is basically a person or a platform that connects buyers and sellers of an asset. Brokers for companies, for institutions, for hedge funds, or even for multi-millionaire people are banks, just like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Credit Suisse, and so on. However, for regular people like us, we need simple brokers made for people. And from the never-ending list of brokers, I use eToro as my main broker, and here is the explanation why I choose it.
Sure, skip this ad, just like you skipped out on buying Amazon stock and Google and Apple.
Yes, I know what you're thinking about. Me, just like you guys, I have seen 500,000 times Alec Baldwin on YouTube advertisements talking about eToro and how you don't have time to invest in stocks, blah, blah, blah. But indeed, that's the broker that I use. I use eToro. Before going on, FYI, this video is not sponsored by eToro. I'm not being paid for any advertisement on eToro. This is just my own initiative and my willing to share with you why I feel safe using eToro and why I consider that is something really easy. Now let's move on to the main reasons why I like eToro. First of all, eToro is for free, and this is proven. eToro has no commission for doing any trade. This means that you can buy or sell an asset, an ETF, a crypto, Forex as many times as you want, and you will be charged $0 of commission for selling or buying an asset or for doing or making a trade, which is very good because many brokers out there, they charge commission for opening or closing trades. So for example, if there's a broker that charges you $1 for buying or selling an asset, if you want to buy 30 stocks, you will be using $60 for buying and selling, 30 for buying 30 stocks and 30 for selling 30 stocks. So the fact that eToro has no commission, it's pretty good, it's cheap, and can save you a lot of money. But you might be wondering, how does eToro make money? eToro makes money basically by the spread, which is the difference between the buy price and the sell price, which is pretty normal, and all the brokers around the world have spreads. Actually, spreads on eToro are pretty low. However, it is important to note that there are some small commissions or some small fees, but they are not really huge. So the first commission is for withdrawing. If you want to withdraw $10, $500 or $5,000, you will be charged a $5 commission, which is not crazy. It's the same amount of money that any ATM around the world will charge you for withdrawing money on a trip. So $5 is pretty fair in my opinion. Second reason, you are safe up to $1 million. eToro has an insurance policy up to 1 million euros per account with Lloyds Bank, which is a pretty big English bank.
So this means that if I make a YOLO trade with 20,000 US dollars on Dogecoin and I lose it all, Lloyds Bank will reimburse me?
No.
This basically means that if for whatever reason eToro goes bankrupt, all your money on eToro will be safe up to $1 million. So if you are planning to invest more than 1 million US dollars, stop this video, close your computer and go to your nearest bank because congrats, you are a millionaire. But if you are like me, that you have a couple $1,000s that you want to invest in stocks, you can place it on eToro and you will be safe up to 1 million euros, which is around $1.2 million. The third reason why I like eToro is its regulation. Yes, I know that eToro has its regulation in this beautiful island where I'm right now, that is Cyprus. And yes, I know Cyprus is highly recognized for being a fiscal paradise where companies pay a tax of 12%, where the VAT is only 9%. In other words, it's just like Disney for millionaires. However, eToro is not only regulated by the SISEC, that is the Securities Exchange Commission of Cyprus, but also is regulated on the FCA, that is the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, that is the same as the Securities Exchange Commission of the USA, but in the UK. So, if you're thinking about investing or not on eToro because of its regulation, don't worry, Queen Elizabeth is watching them. And last but not least, the most important reason why I like eToro is because it's feature copy trading. Copy trading is basically a feature of eToro where you can, as the name says, copy the trades of other people. So, if you are someone that you enjoy more playing video games, making videos, or going to the beach, and that does not know a lot of financial markets, of financial analysis, of how to invest, how do stocks behave and all that stuff, you can deposit your money and copy the trades of a professional trader or a professional investor. So there is people out there on eToro like me that we review the markets every day, we check up the news, we do our analysis on every company, we make reports for our investors, and the people just copy them or copy us. It's just like having an asset manager, but on eToro you pay zero commission for that service. A service that normally in a bank is pretty expensive. So all you have to do is log in, put your money and find the trader that you like with the risk profile that you like and that invest in the markets that you prefer. So if you want only stocks or a mix of stocks and crypto or only ETFs, you will find it there easily and I will show you how. So now I'm gonna show you guys how the platform looks like inside and how it will look like when you deposit your money, how to trade the markets or how to copy people. Let's go to the computer. Okay guys, back with you in the computer. So the first dashboard that we see is this one, where in the left panel we have our watch list, our portfolio, our news feed, the markets, the copy people that I will show you in a minute, and a third feature that is called invest in copy portfolios. So in here you have my portfolio of stocks. We have FedEx, Petrobras, Philip Morris, Synchrony Financial, and so on. There are companies that are winning, as you can see, and there are companies that are losing. And this is pretty normal. That's the way markets behave. As you can see, fees are zero. In here, we only have a small 64 cents fee. That is basically sometimes the company does pays you, or holding a stock pays you dividends. So you will have a reimbursement, a positive reimbursement. Now moving on to trade markets, when we go here, we see a dashboard with a lot of names of stocks. So we have Amazon, Apple, Google, Netflix, and so on. In here you will be able to trade specific assets. So if you want to buy Apple, you will just enter a buy order if you want to sell it. As you can see, the price to buy the asset is different as to sell the asset, and this is called the spread, as I was talking to you guys. In this panel, you can also trade ETFs, crypto, indices, commodities, and currencies, that is basically Forex. So here is the dashboard to buy or sell short assets. In here, in the copy people part, we have our copy trading system. So in here, you will not see assets, you will not see companies, but you will see people. Important to know, when you see a profile with a little star here, it means that they are a popular investor on eToro. I'm a popular investor myself, so in here you will see a lot of people with different returns on different time frames and with different risk profiles. So for example, this person has had 54% in the last year with a 5 risk profile, being 1 the lowest and 10 the highest. So here we are. As I was telling you guys, so if you want to follow someone that is from Argentina, from Australia, or from Belgium, you can do it, that invest in currencies, in crypto, in any market, and that gained at least any number that you want to put during the amount of time that you want to set as well. So you will have a lot of filters. Also, when you go to a popular investor profile, you will see that they have a description with their strategy, how they buy or sell stocks, what is the holding time, what is the suggested amount of investment, as well as many weekly or monthly reports available for you. In here, you can also see the statistics of the portfolio, and you will also see in a chart how your money would look like if you had invested $10,000 at inception of the portfolio. And last, we have the investing copy portfolios. That is basically portfolios tailor-made by eToro, by asset managers on eToro, that depend on the type of assets that you want to buy. So if you want to buy crypto, if you want to buy a portfolio called Future of Payments, that basically gathers all the companies working on different payment methods, fashion, big tech, etc. The only problem with these portfolios is that normally the lowest amount of money that you can invest is around $2,000 or even $5,000. So you will need a few thousands of dollars to be able to invest in copy portfolios. So here you go, guys. You also have a real portfolio and a virtual portfolio. When you open an eToro account, you will have 100,000 of fake US dollars, so you can train yourself, you can trade, you can make positions, buy or sell any asset, and see how eToro works for you guys. Okay guys, this is all for today. If you want to support this channel, just hit the like button for the algorithm of YouTube, subscribe, activate notifications, and finally, if you have any comments, suggestion or question, just leave it down below in the comments box. This is Explain My Pocket. I will be doing content both in Spanish and English, so feel free to ask any question in any language that you rather. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.